Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about the King of Kings, the car that has defined luxury for decades, the sedan that every rival tries to beat, but never truly can. Yes, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Facelift. This isn't just a refresh. This is Mercedes stepping onto the stage and saying, loud and clear, BMW and Audi, watch and learn. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of pure luxury, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. Exterior overview. The 2026 S-Class Facelift introduces a bold new design philosophy. Mercedes has sharpened everything: the edges, the stance, the identity. The headlights are now slimmer, equipped with the next-gen digital micro-LED technology, projecting ultra-precise light patterns on the road. The front grille is wider, more majestic, and carries a deeper chrome profile, giving the S-Class a commanding presence even when it's standing still. On the side, the signature S-Class silhouette remains untouched. Elegant, long, and flowing, but now with newly sculpted lines that create stronger reflections under sunlight. The flush door handles return, adding to the aerodynamic purity. Move to the rear, and you'll notice the redesigned taillights shaped with a new 3D light animation, giving the car a futuristic identity, especially at night. The bumper is cleaner, more structured, and integrated to give the S-Class a sharper tail end. Wheels and dimensions. Mercedes now offers new 20-inch and 21-inch forged wheels, lighter and more premium than before. Despite the facelift, the car retains its iconic long wheelbase proportions, ensuring it still looks and feels like a true flagship. Interior, the real magic. Step inside, and this is where Mercedes crushes every competitor. The 2026 S-Class interior feels like a first-class lounge in a private jet. The new color combinations, floating ambient lighting strips, and redesigned center console give it an ultra-modern luxury feel. The highlight? The upgraded MBUX Hyperscreen 2.0. Larger, brighter, and more responsive. The screen wraps around the cabin like a digital waterfall. The graphics are smoother, the animations cleaner, and the AI smarter, learning your habits and adjusting settings automatically. The seats have also been redesigned, using new foam technology that adapts to the shape of your body. With hot stone massage, ventilation, heating, and even anti-fatigue posture correction, Mercedes proves once again why no one does comfort better. Technology and features. The 2026 S-Class features an upgraded autonomous driving system capable of level 3+ functions in supported regions. The car can change lanes, manage traffic, and even park itself without you inside. And yes, the famous energizing comfort programs now have 3 new modes inspired by luxury resorts and spas, each customizing lighting, fragrance, seat massage, and music. If the front is impressive, the rear seats are nothing short of royalty. The S-Class remains the gold standard for rear seat comfort. The new executive lounge package includes fully reclining seats that transform the back into a luxurious resting pod. The rear passengers get an upgraded 8K resolution entertainment system with individual screens, wireless controllers, and immersive 4D audio, thanks to Burmester's latest speaker tech. Mercedes has even improved sound insulation, using aerospace-grade acoustic materials to create a cabin so silent you can hear your own heartbeat. Performance and engines. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class gets subtle but meaningful upgrades. The S500 now makes more power thanks to an improved mild hybrid system, while the S580's twin-turbo V8 becomes even smoother and more refined. Fuel efficiency improves, emissions drop, and acceleration becomes more responsive due to smarter ECU mapping. For those wanting ultimate performance, the S580e plug-in hybrid offers extended electric range and instant torque, making it a silent rocket in city driving. suspension and comfort. Mercedes has upgraded its e-active body control suspension, making the ride feel like floating on air. The system scans the road 1,000 times per second and adjusts each wheel individually to eliminate bumps. Corners feel flatter, bumps disappear, and the S-Class glides effortlessly. Something BMW and Audi still struggle to match: safety and innovation. The 2026 S-Class comes with a new generation of pre-safe systems. The car can detect collisions earlier, prepare the cabin, and in some cases, even move occupants away from the impact zone. The new Night Vision 2.0 system can identify animals, pedestrians, and even road debris with higher clarity. Mercedes continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury sedan can do. Overall experience: driving the 2026 S-Class feels like stepping into the future. Everything around you is soft, smooth, silent, and incredibly smart. Mercedes hasn't just refreshed the S-Class, they've reinforced its throne. While BMW tries to compete with the 7 Series and Audi puts up a fight with the A8, neither comes close to the balance of technology, comfort, elegance, and confidence that the S-Class delivers. This is not just a facelift. This is Mercedes reminding the world who the real king is: Autoro. So that wraps up our exclusive deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes S-Class Facelift, a luxury sedan that truly puts BMW and Audi to shame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest car reveals and reviews.